Imagine setting off on the adventure of a lifetime without giving up the comfort of a luxury home. That's exactly the idea behind the incredible 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser motorhome, a concept that combines Toyota's legendary off-road heritage with the convenience and elegance of a premium RV. While Toyota hasn't officially confirmed every detail of this stunning machine, enthusiasts around the world are already imagining what could become one of the most capable luxury motorhomes ever created. And trust me, once you see what this vehicle has to offer, you'll understand why everyone is talking about it. From the very first glance, the 27 Land Cruiser motorhome commands attention. It blends the iconic Land Cruiser front fascia with a modern motorhome body that looks both rugged and sophisticated. Boldly headlights, a massive grille, muscular wheel arches, and heavy-duty all-terrain tires create an unmistakable presence. Every angle feels purposeful, giving the impression that this luxury camper is ready to tackle mountain trails just as confidently as it cruises down the highway. Step inside, and you'll discover a cabin designed to feel more like a luxury apartment than a traditional RV. Premium leather seating, genuine wood accents, soft touch materials, and ambient lighting create an inviting atmosphere. Large panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light while offering breathtaking views wherever your journey takes you. The spacious living area features comfortable lounge seating, a dining space, and a smart entertainment system with a large touchscreen display, premium surround sound, and seamless smartphone connectivity. The kitchen is built for travelers who don't want to sacrifice convenience. Modern appliances, generous countertop space, a refrigerator, microwave, induction cooktop, and plenty of storage make preparing meals simple whether you're parked beside a lake or deep in the mountains. The sleeping area offers a luxurious queen-size bed with high-quality bedding, while the bathroom includes a separate shower, modern fixtures, and thoughtful storage solutions that maximize every inch of available space. Technology plays a huge role in making every trip enjoyable. Multiple digital displays provide vehicle information, navigation and entertainment controls, wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, fleet capability, and advanced climate control ensure everyone stays comfortable and connected. Solar panels on the roof, combined with a high-capacity battery system, help support extended off-grid adventures, giving travelers greater freedom to explore remote destinations. Underneath its impressive body, the 2027 Land Cruiser motorhome is expected to retain the legendary toughness that has made the Land Cruiser name famous worldwide. Many expect it to feature Toyota's latest hybrid powertrain, delivering an excellent balance of power, efficiency, and reliability. A sophisticated four-wheel drive system, locking differentials, advanced traction management, and adjustable suspension would allow this luxury motorhome to reach destinations that many traditional RVs simply cannot access. Safety remains one of Toyota's strongest priorities. The latest suite of driver assistance technologies would likely include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, rear cross, traffic alert, multiple camera views, and advanced parking assistance. These systems work together to reduce driver fatigue while increasing confidence during long-distance travel. Of course, luxury and capability rarely come cheap. If Toyota ever brings this remarkable motorhome into production, experts expect it to carry a premium price tag reflecting its advanced engineering, upscale interior, and unmatched versatility. But for buyers seeking the ultimate combination of adventure, comfort, and legendary reliability, it could easily become the dream vehicle they've been waiting for. The 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser motorhome represents more than just transportation. It symbolizes freedom, exploration, and the ability to travel anywhere without leaving comfort behind. Whether you're planning cross-country road trips, off-grid camping, or unforgettable family adventures, this concept proves that the future of luxury travel could be more exciting than ever. If Toyota decides to make this incredible vision a reality, it may completely redefine what people expect from a premium adventure vehicle. Would you take this luxury motorhome on your dream road trip? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting automotive content.
Never know what I should say. Maybe nothing.